In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to enhance your editing workflow with beat markers. This is a fantastic way to synchronize your video edits or text animations to the rhythm of your chosen audio track, ensuring everything flows smoothly and looks professional. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a complete beginner, this guide is designed to be simple and easy to follow. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to select your audio track. This is the foundation of your editing project and will set the tone for your entire video. Make sure to choose a track that complements your visual content, as this will significantly enhance the overall feel of your project. If you're unsure which track to use, take your time to preview a few options to find the perfect fit. Once you've selected your audio, your next step is to right-click on it. This simple action will bring up a list of options related to your audio track. From this menu, you'll want to choose Add Beat Marker. Beat markers are incredibly useful as they allow you to visually identify beats within your audio track. This step is crucial as it helps you to identify where key moments in the music occur naturally. Now you have the choice to manually place these markers or to use the auto beat feature. If you're comfortable identifying the beats yourself, simply listen to the track and place markers where you feel the strong points are. However, if you prefer a more automated approach, or if you're dealing with a complex piece of music, auto beat can be a huge time saver. It will automatically detect and place markers at significant points in the track, giving you a solid foundation to build from. With your beat markers in place, it's time to align your video edits or text animations to them. This is where your video really starts to come alive. By aligning your cuts or animations with these markers, you'll ensure that each change in the video corresponds with a change in the music, creating a seamless, professional-looking result. It can be helpful to preview your video a few times as you align these elements to ensure everything syncs perfectly with the beat. Remember, the key to effective video editing is attention to detail. Don't rush through this process. Take your time to ensure that each edit and animation works harmoniously with the audio. And there you have it. By using beat markers in CapCut, you're well on your way to creating dynamic, engaging videos that resonate with your audience. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. With practice, using beat markers will become second nature, and your video editing will reach new heights. Keep experimenting and enjoy the creative process. Happy editing!